Hi loves, before we start, I just want to greet everybody a happy new year. It's already 2024 now, and I hope you all had a very memorable celebration and of course a very prosperous year ahead. So today guys, I'm going to be unboxing one of the best gifts that I got this Christmas. So when I got this one from my husband, I was so excited because he told me that this is something that I have been really wanting. And this one is a RHEA backpack from MICHAEL Kors in medium size. So if you guys wanted to see how the bag looks, then just keep on watching. So by the way, the letter says, "Merry Christmas, darling. I love you. Greetings from the best man in your life." So it's written in Swedish, so I just needed to translate that one. So here you go. I really love the box. It's super sturdy. It looks so sleek. And I love that it comes with a ribbon as well that looks so cute. So here it is, the actual unboxing. So this is, by the way, a tricolor bag. I had the same bag before as well, but in mini size. So this one is in medium size. And this is really perfect if you bring a lot of things with you when you're out. This is also quite good if you love to travel, because then you can put a lot of your necessities inside the bag. So this bag I have right now is the mini one, and I got this one way back 2018, and I've been using it a lot, and as you can see, it's still in a very good condition. The size difference between the medium one and the mini one is really very visible. As you can see, the mini size bag is just really very small, only perfect if you needed to do something which is quick and that you don't really need to bring a lot of stuff. There's also another difference when it comes to the strap, because on the medium bag, the strap is attached and you can't really remove it, though you can adjust the length, which is really good. But in the mini size bag, the strap is detachable. As you can see, the strap on my mini one is not attached because I put it inside the bag since I'm not using it. But design wise, everything looks the same. So the design of the bag comes with a 3 front zip compartment, though the bottom compartment isn't really that spacious, but still it's enough to be used for small stuff like a lip balm or money and such. And I also have noticed that the bag is way softer compared to the mini size, because in mini size guys, it's a bit hard to open the zipper and stuff, though I have purchased my mini way back 2018. I don't know if they did some changes on the latest model. So but anyways, the newer ones or the newer version is a lot easier to open. I really love that the bag though is very spacious inside, because then you can put a lot of stuff, and it comes with a dust bag. I have read in some of the website who sells this same MICHAEL Kors bag, it says that the dust bag doesn't follow, but I'm so happy that with me I got a free dust bag. And of course it comes with a care card, and yeah, let's take a look inside. So the interior of the bag have a zip pocket and a padded compartment as well. So it has 2 front slip pockets, and what I love is that the padded compartment add softness on the bag itself. When you're carrying it out, it doesn't really hurt on the back. So yeah, here's the MICHAEL Kors bag. Here's the RHEA bag, and I'm really loving it. If you guys wanted to purchase one, I think MICHAEL Kors Europe is still on sale right now if you live somewhere in Europe. So yeah, I really love this bag and there's no regret at all. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you will give this video a thumbs up, and I hope that you will subscribe on my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Happy New Year, and I am looking forward to seeing you more on my channel for this entire 2024. Thank you guys so much, and I hope to see you on my next one. Bye!